Namaskar friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we will look at the complete pre-market analysis for Monday's Nifty, covering global cues, our support or resistance zones, expected opening behavior, and the directional bias for the day. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's begin. Global market overview. Before we see the Nifty zones, let's quickly go through global cues because Monday's opening depends heavily on them. US markets mixed to flat, negative sentiment, adjust according to your morning data. Asian markets early trends showing mild positivity, flatness. SGX Nifty, Gift Nifty indicating a slightly stable to cautious opening. Dollar index or USD INR stable, so no currency pressure expected. Crude oil cooling off, which is positive for Indian markets. Overall global mood, neutral to mildly positive. No signs of heavy volatility unless major news triggers appear. Key Nifty levels for Monday. Now let's come to the most important part, support or resistance zones for Monday. These levels are based on the chart you uploaded. उंगली से नीचे की ओर इशारा resistance zones, upside levels. R 1:26 288, R 2:26 346, R 3 26,404, R 4:26 462, R 5:26 520, R 6:26 578. If Nifty sustains above 26,288, the index can show strength. Above 26,404, momentum buying may come in. Crossing 26,462 opens the door for 26,520 and 26,578. Support zones, downside levels. S1 26,108, S2 26,018, S3 $25 928, S4 $25 843, S5 $25 763, S6 $25 673. If Nifty slips below 26,108, weakness continues. Breaking 26,018 can open a deeper correction toward 25,928 and 25,843. Expected market behavior based on the zones. Nifty is currently trading near 26,204, sitting between R1 or S1. Scenario 1 bullish opening. If we get a flat to positive opening, watch for sustaining above 26,250, 26,288 zone bullish bias. Above 26,346 intraday strength. Above 26,404 trending bullish day possible. Scenario 2 bearish opening. If we get a flat to negative opening, watch for break below 26,108 weakness. Below 26,018 selling pressure increases. Below 25,928 deeper correction. Scenario 3 range bound opening. If Nifty remains between 26,150, 26,280, expect consolidation. In such scenarios, market may remain slow in first half and give movement after subah ke 11 baje. Trading strategy for Monday for option buyers. Avoid trading in the first 5 minutes. Identify direction using support, resistance breaks. Entry only after breakout and candle closing. Bullish strategy. Buy CE only if Nifty breaks 26,288 or breaks 26,346. Target. Next resistance. SL. Previous swing low on 5 minutes chart. Bearish strategy. Buy pay only if Nifty breaks 26,108 or breaks 26,018. Target. Next support SL. Previous swing high on 5 minutes chart. Avoid zones. 26,150, 26,250 is a noise zone. Avoid overtrading here. Final Monday bias based on the current structure. Markets are showing bias, mildly positive but cautious. Above 26,288 bulls take control. Below 26,108 bears take control. Expect sideways to positive behavior unless a major gap up or gap down happens. Closing conclusion. This is your complete Monday pre-market analysis based on global cues and key Nifty levels. If you find this useful, do like or subscribe for daily pre-market and post-market analysis.